Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask one question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skills should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time and a handsome salary, which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. Now let me tell you 13 most in-demand data science skills in 2023. So first one is programming languages. For example, Python, R, SQL, Spark. Second one is machine learning algorithms. Third one is data visualization. Fourth one is big data technologies. Fifth one is cloud computing. Sixth one is data engineering. Seventh one is deep learning frameworks. Eighth one is statistical analysis. Then ninth one is data storytelling. Then data ethics. Then business acumen. 12th one is project management. And 13th one is domain specific knowledge. Right? So these are the 13 most in demand data science skills in 2023. So now the question is, from where you can learn data science with placement assistance? The answer is Odin School. You can join Odin School Data Science Bootcamp because Odin School Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get a placement in the top companies with high packages and 360-degree placement assistance. Now here you can read the success stories of all the candidates who got placed in top companies after joining Odin School Data Science Bootcamp. And the important thing to note is that all the candidates got high packages because Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages. And you will find this success story page link in the description box. Right now, let's discuss about the fee structure for this data science bootcamp. So for this data science bootcamp, fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST. But don't worry, you can get scholarship up to 30,000. And there is one more important thing. You can see, if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, then don't worry. There is no cost EMI is available, right? And which starts at 6,300 rupees per month. And important thing is, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, then your fee will be fully refunded. This is most important thing, right? But within first 10 days. And next cohort is starting from 27th May 2023, and next to next is 24th June 2023. Registration link is already given in the description and also in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Now let's discuss about the curriculum. So in the core modules you will learn setup to data science, statistics, SQL, Python, EDA, machine learning, Power BI, business intelligence, storytelling. And in the electives you will learn Git, GitHub, NLP, ETL, Spark, Airflow, Azure, Azure Data Factory, and Power BI Advanced. So what you will get from this Odin School Data Science Bootcamp course? So from where you will get live instructor led classes, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, weekend live classes, unlimited job opportunities. So what you have to do in order to apply for this? Simple. You need to fill this form. Here you need to enter your first name, last name, then your email ID, then your contact number, then your year of graduation, that is year of passing, then here work experience level, right? And link is already given in the description box, that is registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, right? After that, here you can see uh, there are more than 500 companies which are the hiring partners of this Odin school, right? Yeah, so please don't miss this opportunity. This is really huge opportunity for all of you, right? Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can share this video with your friends as well. Yeah, thank you for watching this video and subscribe the channel for more such videos.